In recent years, many places are promoting ordinary freight vehicles. Replace the car terminal with video and active safety reminders. The machine we bring to you today. It is specifically designed for general cargo operation vehicles. Compared to previous devices, this device, the main feature is the low price. This greatly reduces the burden on car owners, but the price reduction does not compromise the quality. No reduction in configuration. What we are seeing now is the host of this device. Can support access to 4 video devices. In addition, this device is also equipped with positioning antenna, communication antenna, camera connection cable, power kit. There are also 2 cameras that support active safety, DSM camera and ADAS camera. Additionally, there are speakers. At the same time, this device is also equipped with 2 driver identification cards. The main function of this device is not only to provide location videos. The main feature is supporting proactive safety reminders. Can provide anti-fatigue driving reminders, lane departure reminder, etc.